Case analysis. Carrefour vs. V. Subburaman, 2007, 35, PTC 225. Mad. Mad. Citation asterisk. 2007, 35, PTC 225, Madras High Court. Background asterisk. Plaintiff asterisk. Carrefour, a multinational retail corporation based in France, operating hypermarkets and supermarkets globally under the trademark Carrefour. Defendant asterisk. V. Subburaman, a Chennai-based individual using the mark Carrefour for real estate and construction services. Issue asterisk. Carrefour sought an injunction against the defendant for trademark infringement and passing off, alleging that the defendant's use of the Carrefour mark caused confusion and diluted their brand reputation. Key legal issues 1. Trademark infringement asterisk. Carrefour claimed that their trademark was well known and registered internationally, with significant reputation and goodwill. The defendant's use of an identical mark for different services, real estate, was argued to infringe Carrefour's rights under the Trademarks Act, 1999. 2. Passing off asterisk. Carrefour argued that the defendant's use of the Carrefour mark misrepresented their services as being connected to the plaintiff, potentially causing confusion among consumers and harming Carrefour's reputation. Passing off was invoked to protect Carrefour's goodwill, even if their mark was not registered in India for real estate services. 3. Good faith and acquiescence, relevance to Section 11, and Section 33, the defendant likely raised defenses related to good faith, Section 11, and acquiescence, Section 33, arguing that they adopted the mark without knowledge of Carrefour's trademark and that Carrefour failed to object to their use for a significant period. Court's findings 1. On trademark infringement asterisk. The Madras High Court recognized Carrefour's mark as a well-known trademark due to its global reputation and extensive use in the retail sector. Even though Carrefour's mark was primarily associated with retail services and the defendant operated in real estate, the court found that the use of an identical mark could cause confusion, especially given Carrefour's trans-border reputation. 2. On passing off asterisk. The court held that the defendant's use of the Carrefour mark constituted passing off because Carrefour had established significant goodwill and reputation in India, even without extensive physical operations. The defendant's use of the identical mark could mislead consumers into believing there was a connection with Carrefour. There was a likelihood of damage to Carrefour's reputation, as the defendant's services, real estate, were unrelated and potentially of different quality. 3. On good faith, Section 11, asterisk. The court likely rejected the defendant's claim of good faith, finding that the adoption of an identical, globally recognized mark like Carrefour suggested a lack of honest intent. The defendant failed to prove that their use was without knowledge of Carrefour's mark or that it was adopted in good faith. 4. On acquiescence, Section 33, asterisk. The court found no evidence that Carrefour had knowingly acquiesced to the defendant's use of the mark for 5 years or more. Carrefour acted promptly upon discovering the defendant's use, negating any defense of acquiescence. Decision. The Madras High Court granted a permanent injunction restraining V. Subburaman from using the Carrefour mark or any deceptively similar mark. The court upheld Carrefour's rights based on the principles of trademark infringement and passing off, emphasizing the protection of well-known marks under Indian law. Key legal principles established 1. Protection of well-known marks asterisk. The case reinforced that well-known trademarks enjoy protection in India, even for goods or services not directly covered by their registration, as per Section 11 of the Trademarks Act, 1999. The trans-border reputation of a mark can be a basis for protection, even if the mark is not extensively used in India. 2. Passing off asterisk. To succeed in a passing off claim, the plaintiff must prove goodwill, reputation in the mark. Misrepresentation by the defendant leading to consumer confusion. Likelihood of damage to the plaintiff's reputation or business. The court emphasized that passing off extends to protecting a brand's reputation across different classes of goods, services. 3. Good faith and acquiescence asterisk. The defendant's claim of good faith was dismissed due to the fame of Carrefour's mark, which made ignorance implausible. Acquiescence requires proof of the plaintiff's knowledge and inaction for a continuous period of 5 years, which the defendant could not establish. Relevance to Section 11(11) and acquiescence Section 11(11)*. The case illustrates that good faith is difficult to establish when the disputed mark is identical to a well-known trademark. Courts are likely to infer mala fide intent unless the defendant provides compelling evidence of honest adoption. Acquiescence, Section 33*. The plaintiff's prompt action negated the defense of acquiescence, highlighting the importance of timely enforcement of trademark rights. Broader implications. This case underscores the robust protection afforded to well-known trademarks in India, even in unrelated business sectors. Businesses must conduct due diligence before adopting marks, especially those resembling globally recognized brands. Trademark owners must vigilantly monitor and enforce their rights to avoid defenses like acquiescence being raised. If you need further details, specific excerpts from the judgment, or analysis of related cases, let me know.